Hi everyone, this is Sharita. I'm going to show you how I took the cracked mirror on this chest and turned it into this new piece using peel and stick tile. Here I have a package of peel and stick matted tile that I purchased from Home Depot some time ago. It was about $14 or $15. It came with 3 pieces. They measure about 1 square foot for the package. Now I'm going to measure the tile to achieve the width of the cracked mirror area. It measures 5 inches by almost 26 inches and the package covers 1 square foot, which is more than enough for me to complete this project. The tile square is 4 inches wide, but each tile row measures 1 inch. So here you'll see me split the tile in half and also by row to achieve that last row that I need. I'm also marking the pieces so I can cut them and fill in the edges. The instruction says to cut the tiles with a jigsaw. I used a pair of scissors. They work fine. Even if I damaged the scissors, I only paid $1 for them from the dollar store. I want to thank my subscribers and everyone for watching my videos. I know we are all affected by this pandemic with the coronavirus. A lot of us are self-quarantined or have a shelter-at-home order in place. You may be looking for some ideas for some incomplete or inexpensive projects while you are at home. This is something you can have delivered to you and completed in no time. Once everything is cut, you just lay it out and put it together like it's a puzzle. Now that the tile is cut to size and laid out, I'll remove the hardware from the chest and stick this tile directly on top of the cracked mirror. If you want to make it more permanent, you can dab some liquid nail on the back of the tile and it'll work fine. The piece of cut tile on first, then I put the sheet on right behind it so everything else will line up perfectly. Once I finish putting all the tile pieces on the drawer, I use my thumb to push the last row up so that it will fit flush with the groove of the drawer. Tilting the chest to open the drawer, then I'll use a sharp screw to put a hole into the tile so I'll be able to screw the knobs back on. So here's the finished look, and here's the side-by-side comparison. If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notification on. Thanks again for watching.